Hello, metalworking aficionados. Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind the precision and mastery of CNC press brakes, diving deep into the world of axes that govern their every move. Let's embark on this journey of discovery. Every bend, every precise movement of a CNC press brake is orchestrated by its axis. Y1, Y2, X, R, Z. Each axis, a maestro conducting the symphony of metal bending. From the Y-axis controlling the ram's up and down movement, ensuring the perfect bend, to the X and R-axis governing the back gauge dance. Every axis plays a pivotal role. And speaking of the back gauge, it's a ballet of stop fingers and blocks, ensuring every piece of metal is positioned and aligned with pinpoint accuracy. Integrated with the CNC system, the back gauge and press brake axes work in unison, a dance of technology ensuring every bend is precise, consistent, and repeatable. But the dance doesn't end there. In the world of advanced metal fabrication, axes like Delta X join the ballet, introducing unparalleled flexibility and precision. Delta X controlling each finger independently, these axes elevate the art of metal bending. The number of axes, each a chapter of precision, dictates the complexity and accuracy of the workpiece. Balancing the dance of technology and budget is key to choosing the perfect CNC press brake. If this exploration of precision and technology intrigued you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the mesmerizing world of metalworking.